I do really want to start this conversation. It is probably the most serious conversation you're going to have today. Who is your favorite Disney princess and why? Hello there, welcome back and thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I unboxed last year's version, really enjoyed the items, so I thought that I would pick it up this year. It is the 15 days of Disney Princess socks. If you are new here, welcome. During the month of December, I'm going to be uploading videos every day up until the 25th. So if you would like to hang out every day, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell before you leave here today. That way you won't miss another video. Like I said, last year I did upload the Disney Princess 15 Days of Socks Advent Calendar. So if you wanted to check that out for whatever reason, I will be linking the video down below in the description box. I'll also be linking where you can purchase this. I picked mine up from Target and it is, as you can see, the price is still on it because I literally just picked it up. It is $15. They also did at Target this year have the like the Christmas crackers that you can like pop open and there's goodies inside. They had that in Disney Princess sock version as well. I kind of wanted to get both to unbox, but then I thought, too much? Too much? Is that too much? I mean, maybe not. I mean, I might go back and get them and do another unboxing. I don't know. I will see. So in this one, it does say, like if you look online, you will see what the actual socks are, but not what day it is. But it does say on the back that you are going to be getting 5 pairs of crew socks and 10 pairs of no-show socks. They have the kids version as well as the adult version, and this fits a size 4 to 10 in adult. Let me tell you, when I saw that they finally had arrived, I checked the Target app to see if they were actually in store because they had not been in store yet. When I saw they were and there were only 4 boxes left, I immediately got in my car and drove to Target so that I could pick this up. All right, so now that the stickers are all done, here's what the back packaging looks like. You have the silhouettes of the princess, and it is a black background with some pink shimmers, reflective, like some pink reflective lines in the backgrounds. And then we have the castle. And then, oh, there's a mirror. Or no, there's not. Okay, it's just reflective. I didn't want to show you like the hot mess that is behind the camera. Here are the princesses. Last year, I don't know if there was like mistakes in the boxes, but last year, the princess on the box did not match up to like the actual princess on the sock. So we'll see if it's like that this year. So we're going to pop open day number 1, which has Ariel on it. So first pair is a set of crew cut socks. And they are black with Mrs. Potts on them. They are Beauty and the Beast themed. And, oh, chips on here as well. So it says, wow, you are not going to be able to see this very well because it's such a small sock. It says, be our guest. Cute. Day 2 has Jasmine on the cover. All right. It's another pair of crew socks. Did I say crew on the first one? And because I know I just said it, no show. These are the no-show socks. And this pair has Tiana on it, right? So Princess Tiana is on this sock. Day number 3, and it says, courage to be kind. And yes, we have our first pair of crew socks. They have my castle on it. Oh. I miss Disney World. They have on the back, it says Fierce Dreamer. And I assume it's supposed to be fireworks. I'm going to say they're fireworks all along. And then you have the castle. Pretty and pink. Sparkly. I don't know if the camera's going to be picking up all the sparkle. I hope it does. Okay, so I feel like there was a missed opportunity there because those socks said Fierce Dreamer. And that's what day number 4 said. So we'll see what's in day number 4. Oh, I love it. I feel these characters are so underrepresented. There's Flora, Fauna, and Merryweather from Sleeping Beauty. And another pair of crew socks. Okay, so I find that they're like, the princesses are kind of creepy looking this year because it's just the outline of them. Like their faces are just outlined. Last year, their faces were like colored in like the animation is. But anyway, this is a Little Mermaid pair. So you have Ariel. I think it's the eyes. Like that, I mean, it's cute. Like, I think it's the eyes. I feel like both, I'm going to see if it continues, but I feel like both Ariel and Tiana have like dead eyes. Like they're just like dead blank stares. I think because they're not filled in. I don't know. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Do the princesses look creepy? Or is it just me? I don't know. I mean, they're still cute socks. Ariel looks a bit creepy. Day number 5 has Pocahontas. And day number 5's no-show socks have an outline of Princess Tangled. So an outline of Rapunzel watching her lanterns. Day number 6's box has a picture of Moana on it. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm so excited. Just like I said, I feel like Flora, Fauna, and Merryweather are unrepresented characters, or I guess underrepresented characters as far as Disney merchandise. And they're on this sock with Princess Aurora. So cute. So they're on the sock, and then we have Princess Aurora, an outline of her. It's the eyes. The eyes are kind of creeping me out. I'll get over it. I'll stop mentioning it. So we have day number 7 right here is Belle. And the princess on the sock is Snow White. The same sparkles that were used for the castle, and Snow White is surrounded by her apples. Door number 8 has Cinderella. And on the sock for day number 8 is Moana! All right, and so here's your Moana sock. Next day says, we are courageous. It's Jasmine. So when I first saw it, all I saw was this. And I thought, Barney? Why are there, like, is Barney still a thing? But I was like, why are there Barney socks in here? But no, Princess Jasmine. So on the back is Genie's lamp and a heart. And I think out of all of the princesses so far, I know I said I would drop it, but shockingly, I am not. She is the one that looks the least creepy so far. Like, I don't think she looks creepy at all. They did a good job with her eyes. Day number 10's door says, be our guest. I hope that now you have that song in your head for the rest of the day. Mulan. Yes! All right, so Mulan, I think, is my favorite. Even though she's not a princess, she's always lumped into the Disney princess merchandise and, like, lineup. So she's not a princess, but I love her so much. But I really don't like the fact that she is always in her to-be matchmaker, like to-be-wed matchmaker sort of outfit, when really and truly, like, Mulan wanted to be the warrior. And I really do think that that's how she should be shown in most of the merchandise, but I get it, like, people wouldn't buy it as much. But anyway, so typically whenever I do see anything with Mulan, when she is dressed like a warrior, have to pick that up. But it's Warrior Mulan on the socks. So excited. So this is the first thing that I was really excited about. You have the crest with Mushu there, and you have an outline of Mulan fighting. Door 11 has Tiana kissing a frog. So you have a magic carpet on here, and it says bold and curious. Day 12's door has Rapunzel. Oh, I blanked out for a second. So Rapunzel, and the sock has Merida, Princess Brave. I'm not gonna say it. Actually, I would like you in the comments down below to comment which princess today did you find looked the creepiest. Day number 13 has Aurora on the front. I'm sure not Aurora on the sock. This pair has Pocahontas on it. 2 more days to go. We have Snow White on the front of day 14. Right? So there's a crown and a heart, and the text says, fairest of them all. And then finally, day 15 has bold and curious. And we are ending this advent calendar with Cinderella. Be kind is on the back of this sock. And then we have Cinderella on the front. Alright, so now I am all set for socks. I actually found like these still feel like really good quality socks. They're nice and soft. I found that they were a little cuter last year, had a bit more detail in like the stitching last year. So I think that had something to do with me thinking that they were cuter. But I do really like these. Did you pick up this box or are you planning to? I definitely do think that it would be a great gift for a Disney fan. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Goodbye.